Is your air conditioner making more noise than usual? At Standard Plumbing, Heating and Air Conditioning, we know how frustrating a loud AC can be, especially during the hottest days of the year. While a soft hum or a single click at startup is normal, unusual sounds like banging, buzzing, or screeching could signal a problem. Sometimes the fix is simple, like replacing a dirty filter or clearing debris from around your outdoor unit. But if the noise continues or gets worse, it's time to call in the professionals. Persistent rattling, hissing, or loud clicking should never be ignored, as these can point to loose parts, electrical issues, or even refrigerant leaks. Our certified technicians at Standard can quickly diagnose the issue, offer reliable repairs, or recommend a replacement if needed. Don't let a noisy AC disrupt your comfort or lead to bigger problems down the road. Serving Manhattan and the surrounding areas since 1923, Standard is your trusted local expert. Call us today at 785-776-5012 for fast, friendly service and peace of mind.